Yeah, my baby is just coming out from school. Kudiratulabi tutu jojolo. Alhamdulillah for the grace. How are you, my baby? What is it? Party.
Yes.
Wow. So they gave my daughter something in school today. Wow. I like your pink shoes. Show me the light. Where's the light? Show me the light. Show me the light again. Press it. Wow. Oh, nice shoes. Okay. Wow. Congratulations. Good girl. Kairat is waiting for you at home. Road that leads to Airport Road. Straight down. We are going to Airport. So this road is coming from Oshodi. And this is Mafoluku area. Junction, last bus stop of we're on a journey. There'll be a concept, tour guide. Every crooks and nicks of Lagos State. Ladies and gentlemen, what's up, guys? Right about now, I'm linking up with one of my colleagues in the game, Wonders of Nigeria. Absolutely. So we're trying to give you guys unlimited content. We're going to the cooks and nicks of Nigeria, not even Lagos this time around. So tell them what they are to expect.
We are going to explore and show people the beautiful places in Nigeria. And you people should stay tuned. Wonders of Nigeria and LL Concepts.
LWL Concept, tour guide you through the beautiful places in Nigeria, and we will show you the wonders of Nigeria, so you guys can know that Nigeria is actually a beautiful state for all your travels, destinations, safety.
Safe and beautiful, and we are going to enjoy it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're in Keke Marwa, so I met this my friend here. His name is Mr. Richard, and I'm wearing black, black all through, and my boss is wearing white. I said, let me just say It just gives me shout out, Lagos, Nigeria. Get familiar. So baby, just decide. There are no penance come, but baby, can I try? Nothing I want me come down. You be my medicine. Visa. Yeah, supposed to be in the beauty right about now. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Lawal Wasileko. I'm the CEO of LWA Concepts. Right about now, we are in Ibiza. At the Ibiza, So this Ibiza is still in Lagos, Nigeria. Don't get me wrong. So in case you guys want to have fun, come to Ibiza. It's at Egbe bus stop. Very close to Egbe bus stop. But this place has nice ambience in terms of the price, very low price, and good, very high luxurious rooms and thing here. So come to Ibiza, come and shake it off your body and enjoy yourself. Nice structure, how beautiful this place is. So in case you want to come to Ibiza, I'm gonna hold you down, in terms of your hotel reservations. You are available, nice ambience, clean rooms, So come to Ibiza, come and see for yourself. Seeing is believing. So I remain Mr. Lawal Wasileko, your tour guide. Anywhere you're coming from in the world, America, Canada, call me for your hotel reservations. I'll get you something in terms of low price and luxurious lifestyle. Thank you very much. Ibiza, Egbe in control. That's what it is. Please right by now, we came to Grace today, Kenny happens to be a special person to me, she's an accountant and she helps me, she sends me money for clearance, importation, so I have to come to Grace today and wish her happy married life. I wish your home blessed home, Today is a blessed day because rain fell, so I wish you all what you wish for, happy home, God bless you, Mr. Lawal is here. guy.